Hey guys, how's it going? Time for a van update, I think. Been a little bit of time for a video since I put a video out. A lot of stuff's happening. Quit my job the other day, so this is the first week of not working 9 to 5 days a week. So I've had a bit more time to do stuff on the van and all that good stuff. Behind me you'll see this wall is completed. So I've done the first bit on camera, but I've done the second bit. Nice baton down there, or I suppose that's what you call it. I'll show it in a bit. Some bits not so good, but I think it'll do. I got the carpet out, probably can't see that from there, so I'll pick up the camera in a bit, show you around. I'll explain. And there's some issues with it as well, which have been a bit annoying, but not the end of the world. So, yeah. So, took the floor out. I was looking for the fuel pump, but I'll explain that later. It's not in the back in one of these. I thought it would be about there, because the tank is somewhere around there. But hey, we live and we learn. This wall is completed, it's all insulated behind it. Looking pretty sweet. Put this batten up because, well, you can see in there the edge isn't perfect, but it looks good. Might have to nail that in as well because that's moving away. But yeah, I'll paint it all white. I'll probably fill a few bits in, but yeah, paint it white. That should be cool. Should look nice, and there's gonna be a shelf over that. So I picked up the floor and there was a few rusty bits. So I've been at work sanding all that down. Some of the rust has come back because I didn't get to finish it last night. It started raining. But yeah, I'm just sanding all that back. So we've got something good to work on top of. Don't have to take the floor up later. I don't really know if this is possible to see, but I put some filler on that. Not filler, primer on that. So that's actually like cleaning up pretty well. But it's gonna have wood on top of it anyway. It's just I just don't want it to rust, you know. Oh, and there's some more down there. You start and you just keep finding it. So yeah. Hey, well, we'll get to that. So why am I trying to find the fuel pump? The other day, I started this thing up. I thought I'd have to do this as a dramatic recreation, but because I thought I'd fixed it. But yeah, I was starting this thing up. Where's the revs? I'll close this door, that's really annoying. Right, where's the revs? There's no miles an hour. The fuel tank is on empty even though it's 4:30 and I filled it like yesterday. And, sorry, it's on half, but it's got a little red empty light. It will stay forever cold. So, what's the deal with that? So right, so I'd taken off the cluster the other day, so I thought, it's probably me, I probably plugged something in badly, or something like that, and it's like bumped loose or something. Anyway, took the whole thing off, checked it all out, it all looks fine, plugged it all back in. I thought, maybe it's a fuse, so I went into checked all the fuse boxes until I checked the last one, found the last one down there. That had the gauge cluster fuse in, so I changed that over and whoa, gauges are working again. But the fuel light was still on, the empty fuel light was still on. So I think that the issue's in the fuel sender module, which sends the fuel level to the gauge. And I think that every so often that is sending like some mad voltage which is blowing the fuse, or I suppose a mad amperage which is blowing the fuse as a signal. Maybe. So right now I'm trying to find the fuel pump, which I think is under the seat that you guys are sitting on. And I find that fuel pump, I'm going to unplug the sender module, which I don't think will have any issues because I think essentially it's unplugged at the moment. Anyway, I'll unplug the sender module, change the fuse again, because I've blown like 3 fuses now. I'll change the fuse again, and if the fuse doesn't blow again after that, I know it's the sender module. I'm pretty convinced it's the sender module, so I might just buy that anyway, and start getting it shipped in, start getting it on the way. But yeah, that's a bit annoying, that. So I got no idea how much fuel I've got now. I don't know what speed I'm going, but this thing's so slow that you know you're never speeding, really. So that's not really the end of the world, and the engine temperature's probably fine. But yeah, I got no idea how much fuel I've got, so I've just sort of got to keep like filling it and hope I don't run out, because apparently that's a right dick on a diesel if I run out of fuel. So yeah, I just don't know how much I've got, which is a bit annoying. Well, I got the seat out. I'm still no closer to finding the fuel module, other than knowing where it is not. So that's annoying. I might have to pay for a Hiace manual. So the seat's out. I'll probably keep it out tomorrow. I'm going to do a delivery job, so it'll actually help. This is still clean, and some of it's painted. The paint code on this is 58, but I bought polar white, which I thought might match it, but I don't think it quite does. Camera, it looks fine though. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Bits of rust are gone and painted over. This bit's a state. That's 10 years of building work. I cleaned that out the other day as well, so that's not as bad as it was. Not that bad. So yeah, I have to buy a Hiace manual. I've posted something on Reddit, so I'll see if anyone there can help me to locate it, but I just can't think where it is. Can't figure it out. Hey.